Okay. Like fraction. So we have a like fraction over here. So you can see the like fraction addition. Now when we look at the like fraction addition, in that case what happens, we check here. Suppose 1 by 7, and we are going to add with 5, sorry, 5 by 7. Now what happens here, as you can see, 7 and 7, these two are the denominators, and both the denominators are equal. So when both the denominator, all the denominators are equal, they are called the like fractions. So you can see here the two numbers are the like fractions, and if I want to add these two numbers, what I have to do, I have to just simply add the value 1 with 5, and denominator becomes 7, because that is it's a like fractions. So we get the result as
6 by 7.
Yes.
So 6 by 7.
People are still coming in, so I have to admit them side by side so you can see that. So it will become 6 by 7. Okay, so we look at this. When we want to add two like fractions, how we do add? Here 1 by 7 plus 5 by 7, and then you find out that when we add these two numbers, we get the result as 6 by 7. Now these two are called like fractions. Similarly, if I want to add three numbers, what we will do? We'll just check, we want to add three numbers. So when we want to add three fractional numbers, what to do with that? Let's see. The numbers are 1 by say 8, and we get another number plus 3 by 8, and we get the number as 3 by 8, and similarly we have that means I'm going to show you the three fractions when we have to add, what we have to do. Same thing actually. So we can write again, say 1 by 8. So we have these numbers. Three numbers are there, three fractions are there. So three fractional number when we will add, as we know, the all the factors are common. Like factors. So they all are like factors. So when we want to add the like factors, what we have to do, we have to add them. All numerators we have to add.
5 by 8.
Yes, that's right here. So how it is coming, that's I'm showing. So here we go. And then let me see to move this one. Okay. Now here we get the denominator as 8. Yes. So the result is coming as 5 by 8. So we'll just write that here. Total is 5 and denominator is 8. So you can see here how we are working on. So if there is two numbers or three number, doesn't make much difference. They have to add one after another if they are like fraction. We will talk about the unlike fraction after this. So the like fractions we have seen. Now we'll look at the unlike fractions. Everybody check carefully. I'm going to rub this particular board. So if you have taken the screenshot, it's good. Otherwise, I will just rub this particular board. So you check here. Now we are moving towards the unlike fractions. So we look at the unlike fraction. So you can see here like fraction and unlike fractions. Addition. Now, when we are going for unlike fraction additions, this is something we have to remember that the denominators are not equal. So when we have a number like this, say 3 by say 7 and plus say 1 by this is a number which are giving the fractions are different. Okay, so number is 8 and plus say 4 5 by say a fraction is very interesting fraction, this one. So we'll just look at this one, 14. Now when I get these particular three fractions, I have to add and their denominators are not equal. So these are called unlike fractions. So what we have to do, we have to find out a very interesting thing. We have to find out the LCM. We have to find out the LCM of these numbers. Okay, so we have to find out the LCM of these numbers. So we can see here what we have to find out. LCM. Okay, so we have to find out the LCM. Now the people are coming in. See. Now these three numbers, LCM we have to find out. Now how to find out the LCM? I'll show you. As you know, the numbers we have to write first and then we have to divide with the common numbers. So here we got the number 7, 8 and 14. Now can you tell me which will be the any number is there through which we can divide this particular all?
Yes,
All are not possible, but 7 and 14, 7 and 14 are 8 and 14 are possible. So what are they? We can go for 2. Okay, so when we go for 2, what is the result we get? I will show you. We get the result over here. I think everybody can see. Okay, so 7 cannot be divided, so 7 will remain as 7 because there is a no 2 cannot divide 7. So but 8 can be divided by 2, it is 4, and again we can get this 14 can be divided with the 7. 2 with the result is 7. So can we get any kind of common factors over here? Yes. For the two numbers, we have a common factor that is called 7. See? 7 is a common factor, everybody. So here we go. And then 4 cannot be divided with 7, but other two can be divided, and the result will come as 1 and then 4 and then 1. Now, what is the result we got? These results we have to multiply. So what we have to multiply? This is going to be the LCM. 7 in 2 into 7 and then we have to got the other result as a 1 into 4 into 1. So when we get this result, we can multiply 7 to the how much? 14, and 4 14 4 the 56. The result is 56. So the LCM become 56. Now if I want to add this one, what we have to do, we will just see what we have to do. Very interesting thing. 56 we have to remember. Here again, we have to remember this very important thing is a 56. Okay. So we'll just check here. 56. Can you see 56 here? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
this is
sir.
56. This is the LCM, okay? This is the LCM of the three numbers 7, 8, and 14. Now we are going to look at the how to do the addition. First of all, we have to understand that the common divisor become how much? 56.
56.
Okay, so the denominator has become 56. Everybody watch carefully. This is the 56 is the denominator. And then numerator. This is very important thing we have to understand. How to do this one. This is 56 divided by the denominator. What is the denominator? 7. And we have to multiply with the numerator. What is the numerator? 3. That means 56 divided by 7 into 3. First one. Then we have to add. Then again 56 divided by 8. The denominator is 8. And we have to multiply with how much? We have to multiply with how much? 1. Because the numerator is 1. And then I'll just do it for you first and then I will come back. And then if I want to do the next one, what we have to do? 56 divided by 14 and then we have to multiply with 5. So let's see the equation properly. Now, whenever you are going to divide, you are going to actually, what will happen? So the result is equal to L, right? And then I will try to explain this each one. So here we get the results like this. First one, 56 divided by 7 is 8. 8 into 3 is how much? 24. Then we have our next number. 56 divided by 8 is how much? 7. 7 into 1 is 7. Then we will just add the next one. 56 divided by 4 is 14 is how much? 4. 4 into 5 is how much? 20.
20.
Is it 20 no? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, anybody coming late, I will not entertain with the hands. Only the question regarding this, I will entertain. Everybody, just see first the answers and then we will just check in. Okay. So now we will look at the equal to symbol and then what is the result over there? 24. Here we get the number 56 and here the next number is here coming. Everybody watch carefully. This is 31 plus 20 is 51 by how much? 56.
56.
Yes, that is the result. Let me take the question first. Everybody is raising the hand. What is happening, Prachi? How can I help you, Prachi? Tell me, Prachi.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
sir, I am joined late. Can you say what chapter you teach?
I am teaching the number 9.5. So please, if you have joined late, you have to follow, and if you we will get the video afterwards. Okay. So no more question, please. Like this kind of question, I will not entertain now. I'll just in the class you should be in time. Okay, Vaishnavi, what's your question? Vaishnavi, what's your question?
Answer.
Yes, Vaishnavi, what's your question?
Exercise 9.4 you have left. Only question 1 and 2 you have done, sir.
Vaishnavi, what's your question?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
sir, in 9.3, sir, in 9.4, number 4 solve number A.
Number 4, number A. What is written?
Sir, this one is
Half
not
of 12. So it is 6. So you have to divide 12 with 2. So you will get the result 6. What is the problem?
Okay, sir.
Similarly,
Okay,
one
sir.
third of 18 is same way. Okay. Now
Okay,
let me.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, dear. Okay, Muskan. Sorry, Muhammad Sadman. Sadman, please ask the question.
Sir, what exercise you are doing?
9.5.
9.5.
Yeah, not exercise. I'm explaining. Okay, so exercise you will do. Okay. Okay. Thank you, dear. Piyush Mandal, any questions? Okay. Let us get into the things. Okay, so we'll just get into the next point. So you have seen over here how to do the things. I have already worked out. Okay, so here the numbers are going here and there. They are jumping. So we are going to move into the next one. I'll wrap this portion. So everybody, you have to. I will be working out questions from 9.5. Number 1 and number 2 are very easy. So we'll just work on few of those for your convenient. I will do the few of the sums, and then we will work out the subtraction. So we'll move into the question number 9.5. This is the chapter, and in this chapter we'll be working on question number 1. So we'll write question 1, and in this question 1 I'll be working on, say, number F. F is one of the good question. So what is the question? I have already worked out this kind of explanation. I have already worked out. So I'll just work out here. The number is 14 by 16. 14 divided by 16. And that has to be added with... Aditya, can you see?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please tell me if you cannot see. Just...
Yes.
Okay. We get the next number is 9 by 16. So we just get into the 9 by 16. Uh, very late people are coming in. I will not explain them again. They have to get it through the videos only. Okay. So here we move. The numbers are here. So 14 and 9, these are the two numbers which are to be added. Why? Because we have already got a common denominator as 16. So when we get this 14 and 9, we have to add them. 14 and plus 9. Now here something will be little different. What is the difference? I will tell you. The number which we have got is going to be, denominator is actually smaller than the numerator. So when we get that kind of situation where we get the result, we can write the result 23 by 16. That is not a difficult things to say, but we should not be writing like this. We will be making it to the mixed fraction, and in the mixed fraction, how to do the mixed fraction, everybody knows. Denominator will be working as a divider, and then I will just look at this. My waiting room is filling with the people and they're coming very late. So here we go, 23. Now we get this particular division. We get the quotient as 1, and then we get here 16. And as I told you, I have already explained this portion, how to get the fraction and how to write that one. You know that. I have already explained in my previous classes how to get this result. So it is a 7. So the result is how much? The result we will have to write as a 1. Then we will just get this particular symbol. Here is the result is how much it is? Who will tell me?
7. Sir,
7.
7.
And then the denominator 16.
16.
Right,
Sir, 16.
right. So 1, then 7 by 16. That is the result. Is it clear, everybody? So we can write in a mixed fraction.
Yes, sir.
We can write the answer in the mixed fraction like this way. We can go for the simple writing of 23 by 16 also, or we can write them into the mixed fraction. It is better if we write the answer in a mixed fraction. Is it clear, everybody?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now 4 hands are there. What are the 4 hands are there again? Sadman, what is your question, dear? Sadman, what's your question?
I think he has not lowered his hand.
Sir, by mistake, I raise hand.
Okay, okay, Sadman. Thank you. So we will move into the next one. Okay, what happened to Vaishnavi? Vaishnavi, why raise the hands?
Sir, my mistake.
Huh?
I am doing from laptop.
So that I understand, but why you raised your hands?
Sir, by mistake, I have raised a hand.
Okay, by mistake. Okay, don't do the mistakes anymore now. Let us get into the sums, okay? So that we can do more sums. Then I'm getting disturbed with this one and I'm doing less sums now. Anyway, so this number is over. So we will move to the next question. So let's see the next question, how I can finish it. The number is now 2, question number 2. Remaining all is you have to do. You have to understand that I am asking you to do the remaining. Okay, so we are going for the question 2, and we'll go for a part of it. So let's see the part. Say part is B. Okay, so part B. Now this is very interesting. We have to find out the result, which is a numerator, and that numerator is a missing numerator. So what we have to do actually, very simple. This one is a very simple one. As a basically it is not an addition. To find out the result, we have to do the subtraction. How to do the subtraction? You see here. The result is how much? It is written over here. First one is dash and then divided by 81, and then plus again here the number is given over here. This numerators are given, that is as 50, and by denominator is 81, and so we can look at the result also is given. What is the result? Is 79, and then denominator is 81. Now you check carefully. What we know is the sum we know, and we know one of the number. To find this one, what we have to do? This is very important things. We are going to work out a very interesting options over here. So as we know the sum and the denominator will be common for them. So 81 is the denominator, and then sum is 50. Sum is 79, and the one of the number is 50. So when we know that one of the number is 50, then what we will do? We'll subtract it. And when we'll subtract it, what we will get the result is a numerator. What is the numerator? 29. And denominator, as you know, remains same. And the result is how much? 81 here. So 29 by 21. So
One.
what is the result? 29. So B's result is a what? 29. So we can say here we have to write 29. Now this 29, how we got this 29? This 29 we received. This is what
By
exactly?
subtracting 79 and 50.
This is how we got the result 79 by 50. Why we have subtracted? To find out this result. And when we found the result, this is the result. Okay. So 29 is the result. So we can say this 29 is the result, and we have just to mention this one is here. Clear, everybody? How to
Yes,
find the
sir.
answers? Okay. So,
Yes, sir.
okay, thank you. Okay, now let's move into the question number C of question number 3. I'll rub this one, so I'll go for the question number C and question number. This is in the same way. You have to find out the others one also. So what you will do over there? First, you have to find out the number E. I will try to finish for you. Let's see. Question number 2E also I'll try to finish for you. So let me subtract
3. 3.
2E.
Yes, sir.
So in the case of 2E, what is there? Let's see. Question number 2 and part E. We are going to try. Let's see. What is the number? Number is 5 by 25. And then we have to, is given 5 by 25. And then 8 by 25. 8 by 25. And then it has given plus, and then it has given unknown by 25. This unknown we have to find out, and the summation is given here. What is the summation total? Total is given as 70
By
by
25. 25.
5. So what we know is the summation we know, and two fractions we know, and another fraction numerator we have to find out. So we will sum first. Actually, I will write the
So we have
sum
8. And with the result,
value
by
minus,
17.
okay, addition the total of known. I'm writing the formula, please, everybody. Known numerators. Okay. And
So that will be 4 by 25.
wait, let me. This is total of known numerators. Sum value minus total of known numerators and denominator. Now, when we look at this one, this is the formula. So we can see the sum value is how much? Sum value is 17 minus total of known numerators. Known numerator is what? 5
By
plus
8.
8. Okay.
5 plus
Now we will look at this divided by denominators. Denominator is how much? 25.
25.
Right. Now what we will do? we will find out the answer. Okay, we will find out the answers here. Everybody watch carefully how I am finding the answers. 17 minus 13. Why it is written 13? Because 8 plus 5 is how much? 13.
30.
Okay, and this is the result is a 25. And now
25.
we will get the result. How we will
That's
get
4
the
by
result? Equal to how much it is?
4 by
4 by
25.
25.
25, right? Now when I get 4 by 25, so the result is what? 4 is the
Result.
result. This one is the result, okay? So you can type here number 4. Is it clear? So that result is 4. Let me see. Yeah, this is 4. Is it clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Every one of you? Is it clear? Okay. So
Yes, sir.
we have already worked out number two numbers. One is a number B, another is number E. Let me get into the number 3 and let me try to, I don't have much time. Let me try to finish one of them. Let's take question B, which is little bit different from others. So I'll just go to question number B. So if it is possible, finish, or otherwise I may not be able to finish today, then I'll do it on the next day. So here we go. Question number 3. Question 3, part B. This is little different from others questions. Why I will tell you, because this question is having some fractions which are not equals and all. The few things are there. So we look at this 4 by 5, and then we have to go for addition plus 3 by 15, and then we go for plus, and then go for 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So if you watch carefully, what we have to do? We have to find the LCM of these 3 denominators. So what we have to do? We have to find the LCM of these 3 denominators. Okay, so we have to find the LCM. LCM of this denominator. So we have to find out the LCM of these 3 denominators. So how to find out the denominators LCM? This is a little bit odd one. So that is the reason I have taken this one. So when we find this one, we will find 5, we have the numbers, 5, 15, and we have 2. So these are the 3 numbers we have. So what we will do, we'll try to divide. So with which number it will be dividing? Only with 5 it will be dividing. The 2 numbers are going to be divided with 5. So what with the result? This will become, everybody just see, this is going to become 1. And then here we get the value 3 5s are 15 and 2 will not be divisible. Who is that? Okay, so we get the 3 numbers over here. To find out the LCM, what we have to do, we have to multiply 5 into 1 into 3 into 2. So when we do this one, what we get, 5 into 3 is 15 into 2 is 30. So we get the result as 30. So we are less than 1 minute time, so I won't be able to finish this one. So I have found the LCM, remaining part you will do. Is it clear? I have already
Yes.
explained this particular type of questions, so you will do the remaining part. So 30 is the LCM, and how to find the remaining results, you know. So if I just go through that, it will not be enough. So thank you everybody for joining the class,
Yes.
and it's a thank you for everything.